So right behind me is a covered wagon. It's a great brand. It's very well built, and they have a lot of innovation kind of going on at that factory. So they're doing a lot of really cool things that the other factories aren't doing. And you know, it's kind of rare to see in the cargo industry. A lot of the cargo brands are really stuck in the past, I guess, and they aren't really changing a lot. Covered Wagon's doing a lot of cool stuff. Let's take a look up here. So you'll see that all of their models have a spray lined, they call it a scorpion liner on the tongue and the entire rear frame. Just really cuts down on corrosion, rust over the life of the trailer. So that's a really cool feature. This is the landscape model that we're standing in front of right now. So the landscape model is going to have the mesh in the tongue, the toolbox up on the front. It's got the same front design as the Continental Cargo did. And on the inside, it has a really cool knife edge that we'll look at here in a second. All right, so here's that knife edge I was talking about. It's got these cool handles on each side, which just makes it a lot easier to pick the door up and down. And then this knife edge right here, instead of the flap that flips back and forth, this thing's made out of steel. Can't be ruined and fall off like the old school flap on the other brands. So that's another really nice feature that that Covered Wagons offer. So now let's take a look on the inside. You can see that the floor's got the 2x8 plank floor on there for extra strength and longevity. The bottom of the walls has the kick plate around the bottom there to help protect the walls from the mowers hitting it. You have your 2 steel shelves up in the front, which is nice. The ceilings will have the thermocool ceiling liner in these. And you'll see that the walls have the stable deck, which is a resin-based board, so that it can't absorb any moisture. And then also on the outside, we didn't talk about it, will have the 5,000-pound axles, 6 lug hubs, and the big 225 tires. So you got a really nice heavy-duty axle, tire, and suspension setup on these guys. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.